Building owners, if you're like me, you feel like you're getting subscriptioned to death. And the last thing you probably want to talk about is one more subscription. Well, I am here today to do just that. Except what I'm talking about is likely the best investment you can make into your commercial building. And that is exterior maintenance programs. So it is a newer concept for many commercial building owners and property managers to make this type of investment. But what we have found with our clients, at least, and there's industry studies that are proving this out, it is the best investment you can make to lower your total cost of ownership while improving either for your workers in your building, their experience, or the tenants you may be renting that space out to. So let's talk about the benefits. Why would you want to make this investment in a maintenance program for your building? Number one, cost. It actually lowers the overall life cycle cost of your roof, and that's just a fancy way of saying it's how you turn a 20-year roofing system into a 30-year roofing system. And that means 10 more years where you keep your money in the bank and you're not having to make that investment in a replacement commercial roofing system where the average cost is well over $100,000 in today's market. Number two, it is, again, price motivated, but it actually lowers your repair costs. The reason for this is when you're having annual inspections performed, that inspector and that team are finding all the little issues while they stay just that, little issues. Little issues, little repair bills. So it actually saves you money because you're taking care of those little things before they go unnoticed and turn into major repairs and major costs involved in that. Number three, VIP or front of line service. Almost any contractor you deal with who has a commercial maintenance program is going to essentially treat you like a VIP, which means in the unfortunate instance where you do have a problem with your roofing, siding, or gutters and you spring a leak, you go right to the front of the line. Because the reality is, when you need a roofer, so does everyone else here in Metro Detroit. By being in one of these maintenance programs, you go right to the front of the line, ensuring your building, your team, and your tenants are cared for in the way you want. Number four, protecting your warranty. So warranties are a big deal in commercial roofing. Yes, there are those full system 15, 20-year warranties, but nobody ever talks about the fine print that all the manufacturers put in there. That fine print says you must maintain the roof with regular and annual maintenance. By being in a maintenance program, your contractor is actually going to provide you annual inspection reports and the documentation. So in the event you ever did discover you had a warranty claim, you don't ever have to fear about the manufacturer trying to get out from underneath it simply because you don't have documentation to prove you've been maintaining the roof. And that is one of the top reasons warranties are denied by manufacturers. Now, they don't like me talking about it, but we're in it for you, not for them. And number five, comes back to price again, but shared costs. So when you own a commercial building, you have this wonderful thing called common area maintenance fees. Perfectly legitimate, perfectly reasonable. And if you're in a building that you rent out to your tenants, that means you can pass this cost onto them as a legitimate part of their rent and fees they pay you as the landlord. This means it doesn't cost you anything out of pocket because your tenants are actually paying for it, and they're paying to protect and maximize your investment, which is the roofing, siding, and gutter systems that are protecting your building. So there you have it. Those are the top 5 reasons why it makes sense to make that investment in a commercial maintenance system or program. If you're interested in learning more, hey, you can always use our online free calculator to get an idea of what a program like this might cost you. If you're already past that point and just know you want it, our team would love to help you. All you have to do is give us a call at 586-566-0308. You can always skip the line and book online at www.kanga-roof.com. And please, if you're liking this content, if you got some value from today, hit that like and subscribe button. It helps let us know we're on the right track in providing the content that you care about, that's helping you make informed and educated decisions. At the end of the day, I always hope you got some value out of this. And most importantly, I hope you have a kangarific day.